You won't believe the laws ancient Romans actually enforced. Some of them sound completely insane. In ancient Rome, there was a law called the Lex Voconia, which stopped women from inheriting large sums of money just because they were women. Meanwhile, in Greece, a different law punished anyone who wore purple clothing, a color reserved only for royals. Wearing it could get you a massive fine, or even worse. Over in Egypt, a law stated that if you harmed a sacred ibis bird, you could be executed. They worshipped these birds so much that the law treated them like living gods. But it gets even crazier. In medieval Europe, it was illegal to eat minced meat on Fridays, and law enforcement would actually patrol markets to enforce it. Some Roman laws even dictated how many slaves you could own, or how many fish you could sell in a day. Order was literally written into their legal code. Across centuries, people were fined, imprisoned, or executed for breaking rules we can barely imagine today. These laws might sound nuts, but they show how societies tried to control behavior, wealth, and even morality. So next time you complain about modern rules, just remember these ancient laws that make ours look pretty sane.